too. You know, I got 2 weeks home, so you don't know every boy. But you know, when we wake up today, I feel like I want a real Jamaican breakfast. So I make the executive decision, yo, where we are gonna cook today? We are gonna cook ackee and saltfish, banana, yam and dumpling. And we're gonna show you the real way. So right now, me I get ready for the shoot. We have to, you know, do it what I want. We have to protect up. Yeah, I throw you in a shell, like you don't know. So yo, stay tuned. Welcome back. Before you start anything, the first thing you want to do, you have to, the very first thing you want to do, I get your saltfish ready. Get your saltfish ready. Set up your boiling water. Get your saltfish ready, and you have a boil the saltfish before you start prep anything else, because you want the saltfish cooked. It takes probably up to 25 to 30 minutes for saltfish ready, because you have to boil it, change the water, boil it again, change the water. I only do it like 2 times. So now we are get to the food. Remember, we are cook yam, banana, dumpling, and potato, sweet potato. A little lesson upon the yam. The yam is a grown provision. You grow that in the ground. Popular in the Caribbeans, anywhere in the Caribbean, them grow it. You want to be careful with this. It's a product that you have to peel the skin off. And what you really want to do, you want to avoid that touching your skin. It's okay if it touches your hands, but don't touch your eyes. Don't do none of that stuff. You make sure if you have gloves, you use that. You peel it and you cook it properly. Cook it all the way through, because it itches. Trust me, it itch, but it's delicious when it's done. So yo, bro, I'll get that done. So stay with me. Oh, we come back. Feed flour for the dumpling, aka a little bit dense. I like whole wheat better than all-purpose flour. Make sense? But me mix both. I use half and half. We do with the dumpling. So get your water going. Add some butter to your pot. And then what I do next, I peel the yam, wash them off, have them aside. Then I'm gonna make the dumpling.
Yeah, Mecca, yeah, Florida, yeah, over, Mecca, yeah, H, yeah. My niggas put that work in. Don't need overtime, I promise I'm just doing me. And bitch, I'm doing fine.
Add it to the water, let that cook a little bit, and I add the yams to that and the banana. I add the banana a little last. The reason why you want to keep the banana in the skin, for the other items are cooked, the banana still stays together in the skin. If you take it out of the skin, you have to cook it separate, because it's gonna be mush. It'll mush up everywhere. You don't want that. You want your banana to stay solid. All right.
About today, cashing my check, I'm on my way. Cutting them off, cash rate. Miami got some bad news. Snap them like I'm Tanu. Shorty spoil like bad milk. They gon' fuss and fight, we gon' need a ref. These Uber niggas, they need a lift. Only the rights that's mastering. Get kicked off like my boy Monopoly. I'm all in their heads like aspirin. Dipping his hoes like Wolverine. Call me Captain, don't save a bitch. Spend a colossal on my leverage. I'm a big boss, no average. I like olives and beverage. Driving.
Oh shit. Hey. You guys are still here, man. Listen, this is my play. You guys need to go watch the video and make your own. Go, get out of here. Get out of here. Go.
All of my niggas love peso. We stacking the bricks like Legos. We rolling up greens like aggros. Yeah.
My niggas put that work in. Don't need overtime. I promise I'm just doing me. And bitch, I'm doing